What's going on, everybody? Grill Outdoors. It is that time. It's November. Actually, it's October 31st, Halloween. Just pulled up here to do some hunting. It's been a while since we've been out in the woods. It's been a while since I made a video. 2 months ago, a little over now. I dislocated my knee, tore my ACL, the LCL, etc. Still healing from that. It's only been 2 months. It takes a lot longer. The doctor said like 6 to 12 months for recovery. And that was with surgery. I decided to opt out of surgery because if it's gonna take that long to heal with surgery, and it's gonna take that long to heal without it, so might as well just kind of go that route. That's what I figured. And right now, I'm trying to swap out the camo because that camo is for duck hunting. It makes a little bit too much noise. Bit chilly out here. We're gonna throw on the coveralls. I literally just drove here from Florida, from Jacksonville, so we've been on the road for about 6 hours. And here's what we're gonna be using today. That beautiful Henry lever action, 45-70. Went and got her sighted in yesterday. It was actually a bit difficult because this thing kicks so hard. Sighting it in, you know, multiple different shots, it was a task. But she is ready to go. Let's go get one. I'm gonna be quiet. Right on through here, this is where the magic happens. Ellie, don't follow me, girl. Don't mess up the hunt. Let's go. I called my buddy on the phone and he told me, he said, today is a great day to be out there. He said, don't shoot no does, just wait for a buck. This will be 6 years, the last 5 years in a row, I have killed a deer within this week, within 7 days of this day, the last 5 years. And when I do it this week, it's gonna be 6. I got a great feeling. Last year, my aim point, come walking right down from that path, he come up this way, and I shot him in the neck with my AR. He ran over here, and I shot him again in the lungs, and he died 50 yards over that way. I've been out here for hours, and apparently the neighbor's like, damn, what the fuck are you doing over there, bro? I'm pissed. My hunt's over. I'm pissed. Yo, Rusty! Rusty! Yo! Hey! Right here. Trying to. He's a neighbor. He's a cool guy. He didn't know I was back here. But God, that never happens. We'll see what happens. He's crashing. Got him. Hurry him. Shaking. Give him a little time. I think I can hear him kicking. I know I shot him. Watch him run off that way a little bit, and then cut back right. I can hear him kicking around. 622. Yo. I got him. I could hear him kicking around a little bit, so I'm still in the stand waiting. He was walking, and I was about to lose the shot, so I had to pull it. I watched it hit him, and he jumped up in the air, you know, staggered, and then kind of went right. I know this gun isn't 100% on sight, but it's kill shot on sight, you know what I mean? There's some dope blowing over there. It's not because of me. All right, y'all. It's been 25, 30 minutes. Let's go get this deer. Hold on. Let's go find this blood. Maybe I'll shoot him right here. So, oddly enough, I did not find the blood trail. And I knew that this gun is, like I sighted it in yesterday, it's not 100%. I did not find any blood. I still don't see any blood. It's crazy. But I see a deer. I see a deer. Look at that. Yes, son. My GoPro just died, so we're gonna finish recording right here. Look at this, baby. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count them, baby. Come down here, got it done, like I always do. Hit him right where I aimed for, actually. Might have been like a little bit back. Bam, that's the kill shot right there. 4570, baby. Look at that boy. Oh, that's a good deer, man. Really surprised I didn't find any blood. Like, I walked over to where I shot him at, and I started tracking from there. I didn't see any blood at all. Oh, there's some blood right there. Man, found blood. It was so weird. So let's see. Yeah, I just stepped on more blood. Yeah, he was leaking, dude. Yeah, blood everywhere. He was leaking, but I actually didn't find the blood, which was crazy. I just walked around and I ended up finding him. Look at that, yeah. Yep. He was leaking all the way through here. Leaking. Let's see. Does it came this way? Where do you go back to? Hey, anyway. Yes, sir. Just like I said I would do. Came down here today. I was so scared that I wasn't gonna get to hunt this year because of my ACL being torn and my leg getting messed up. Come down here, baby. Halloween, October 31st. That makes 6 years in a row that I kill a deer on this week. Let's go, baby. Yes. And now for the hard part, because my ACL's torn, so gotta get this buck out of here. Let's go, buddy. Oh man, look at that wound, dude. That's a good deer, man. And the cavalry comes to save the day. What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
Good to see you, man. Woo! I shot him over that way and I drug him. It took it out of me. pulling up to the processor. Sure, we got some other people out here that probably got some deer too. Let's go see what they got.
Oh, wait. How about it?
All right, y'all. Boom. We got our head. We're gonna put him back in the trunk. And then tomorrow, we're gonna make a Euro mount. All right, everybody, good morning. We got our deer head here. Got a burner sitting right here. Propane tank over there. I gotta go and fill that up, and I got a big bucket of water getting full right now too. So I like to start by getting as much of this fur off as I can. Take as much of the meat out, etc. Take all that off, it's gonna save you time in the pot. So let's start by chopping him down a little bit more. Take a knife. I like to just try to score his head like this, pull as much of that off as I can, get it started. That way when it goes into the pot, it's less for it to boil off, less work for the water to have to do. This knife is not sharp, but it'll get in there, get down to that skull. All right, so my knife is just insanely dull. I mean, this isn't made for this. Made it more difficult, but we got a lot of that skin off. We got all this here, the ears, some other pieces that we took off of them here. This is gonna save us tons of time on getting this mount done. So with that being said, we got about enough water in there. I'll add a little bit more once I get back. Let's go get this done. All right, right. Rah. Got us our propane tank. Did you miss me? Did you miss me while I was gone? That's how we do that. So we're gonna let it sit obviously for several hours. Get that thing boiling, add a little bit more water to it, and then eventually we're gonna have us a beautiful Euro mount. Now that we got that going, might as well get back out there. It's gonna be really hard to be quiet. I'm also wearing these loud pants. Oh, I f***ed up. I f***ed up. There was a doe there. She blew at me. I took the shot. My nose. Ah, oh, that hurts. Whew. I don't know if I shot that deer or not. I was. Oh, ow, that hurts. Damn. Ah, oh, got me good. I was just looking right here. I was looking through my scope. I was like, is that a deer? And then she blew at me. I was like, oh, it is a deer. She ran like 20 yards, stopped. And I don't know, I think I put it on her. Right now, I don't know. All right. Well, Ellie just came down here, so let's go see what happened. Dude, I didn't get to see anything because it broke my nose. I don't know where the deer went or nothing. It's only been however long my nose has been bleeding, maybe 5 minutes. But usually, I can get Ellie to walk right up on it. Blood trail. She's leaking. Definitely shot her. Alright. Blood going this way. Blood. Where's the blood? Got blood all over here. Got blood in the critics. Check up on our deer. Get them together. Alright, so it's about 2:30 right now. Deer head's been in here for a little while. So pull him out. We're gonna shake some of that meat off of them real quick and then throw some cleaner in there. Alright, so usually I would use Borax, but last year I went to buy some and they were out, so I ended up getting OxyClean. Yellow jacket. Ended up getting OxyClean and found out that I kind of like it a bit better. So we're gonna throw some of that down here in our water. Help loosen up our deer meat and all that, and keep our skull clean. There we go. Let them sit. Check on them probably in the morning. Right. Looking pretty good. Take a moment. Get this meat knocked off of there. That way, we'll be finished up here soon. So once again, another great weekend of hunting, y'all. This is actually my first hunt of the year, so super excited to come out with an amazing buck like this. Another beautiful Euro to add to my collection. Ignore the black eye today because I scoped myself yesterday. Definitely got a black eye today. We will be back, so comment, like, tell me your favorite moment, and we'll see you on the next one. Gorilla Outdoors.